Samsung could be preparing one of its biggest flagship upgrades in years with the upcoming Galaxy S27 Ultra. Instead of focusing only on flashy features, the company is reportedly making changes that could improve the way people use their phones every single day. From a completely new battery technology to major camera improvements and stronger privacy features, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to be much more than just another yearly upgrade. One of the biggest rumored highlights is the new silicon carbon battery. This technology is becoming the next big thing in the smartphone industry because it can store more energy than traditional lithium-ion batteries without making the phone thicker or heavier. Longer battery life while still getting a slim and premium design. It's exactly the kind of improvement many smartphone users have been asking for. There has also been some confusion about battery ratings because of new European Union testing rules. Some people might notice that the official charge cycle numbers look lower than before, but that doesn't necessarily mean the battery is worse. The new standards simply provide more transparent testing. In real-world use, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is still expected to deliver excellent battery performance and long-term reliability. The cameras are also expected to receive a major upgrade. Samsung is rumored to keep its impressive 200-megapixel main camera, but this time it could become even better with the help of new Sony sensor technology. These upgraded sensors are expected to improve low-light photography, produce more natural colors, and capture sharper details in both photos and videos. Another exciting change could be the zoom camera. Reports suggest Samsung may replace the previous 3x telephoto lens with a new 50-megapixel periscope camera offering 5x optical zoom. This would allow users to capture distant subjects with much better clarity while maintaining image quality. Whether it's wildlife, sports, concerts, or travel photography, this new zoom system could become one of the biggest selling points of the S27 Ultra. Selfie lovers may also have something to look forward to. The front-facing camera is rumored to receive a 16-megapixel sensor with automatic switching between portrait and landscape orientation. This feature could make taking selfies, recording vlogs, and joining video calls much easier without needing to manually adjust camera settings. Samsung is also expected to introduce a new member to the lineup called the Galaxy S27 Pro. According to current leaks, this model will include many of the same premium camera features found in the Ultra version, but without the built-in S Pen. This could make it an attractive option for users who care more about photography than productivity features. The standard Galaxy S27 and S27 Plus aren't being left behind either. Both devices are rumored to receive upgraded 50-megapixel Sony main cameras, bringing noticeable improvements across the entire Galaxy S27 family, instead of limiting the best camera technology to the Ultra model. Another major change could be the phone's appearance. Samsung is reportedly moving away from the familiar vertical camera arrangement and replacing it with a new horizontal camera layout on the S27 Ultra and S27 Pro. This redesign isn't just about looks. A horizontal camera system can provide better balance while recording videos or taking photos in landscape mode. It also gives the phone a fresh identity that clearly separates it from previous Galaxy models. Privacy is another area where Samsung appears to be investing heavily. The Galaxy S27 series is rumored to introduce privacy display technology across the lineup. This feature is designed to reduce screen visibility from side angles, making it much harder for people nearby to read messages, emails, banking information, or other private content while using the phone in public places. Alongside these hardware improvements, Samsung is expected to launch One UI 9 with the Galaxy S27 series. The new software is rumored to include stronger privacy controls, easier permission management, smoother navigation, and more customization options. The goal seems to be making the phone not only more secure but also more enjoyable to use every day. When all these rumored upgrades are combined, the Galaxy S27 Ultra looks like a device focused on solving real user needs instead of simply increasing specifications. Longer battery life, improved cameras, a refreshed design, stronger privacy, and smarter software could make it one of Samsung's most complete flagship smartphones yet. Of course, these details are still based on leaks and rumors, so the final product could be different when Samsung officially announces the Galaxy S27 series. Still, if these reports turn out to be accurate, the S27 Ultra could easily become one of the most exciting smartphones of 2026. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Samsung leaks, smartphone news, and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.